So check it out. I went back down to the estate sale again today at Brian Gergel, and my buddy Russ allowed me to put together a few more of the build your own locomotive challenges. And so I got the parts. I found this GP9 shell, and there was MP15 frames, and I'm pretty sure that Brian, had he lived long enough, was going to shorten that GP9 shell and put it on an MP15 frame like he did with the Lionel U-boat shells. So I thought I'd take a shot at it. So I cut one of the panels out to shorten it, and you can see I still have the putty in there, and I'll be able to sand that, but I just had it mocked up. And also I found some boards that were from those, I don't know if you remember back again in the MPC era, there were these diesel horn sheds. I think I had one as a kid. Anyway, they used a 9-volt battery, and I found the boards, and there was nothing to actuate it with, so I took the little actuator board from an air whistle and hooked it up to it, and that works. So I thought there's plenty of room in there, so I thought I'd throw that in there too. And I also found a couple of Marks Mold tank cars that are really nice that Brian did. There's Norfolk Southern and a Conrail, and I got a Conrail boxcar in there, and I bought another one of his custom K-line searchlight cars, the ones with the rotating searchlight. So we're going to take it for a spin. You can hear the MPC era horn in there. There's a little beep beep funny noise, but it's making noise and I like it. So here we go. I grew up in the MPC era, so I kind of like the noises they made. Back in the day, that was top of the line. This sort of sounds like a horn. And we'll pick the camera up this time, kind of follow it around. We'll put the camera down. Try not to. There we go. That's good. All right. It runs good. The horn works good. I don't know how long the horn will last. I know it was designed for 9 volts, and it's probably getting a little bit more than that, but it seems to be okay. And we'll make some handrails for it. I've got the marker light and number boards coming from Trains. They weren't too bad. They were like $4 a piece. And also I've got a replacement horn for it. And we'll put some clear, probably some vellum in the windows and maybe add some LED lighting, and we'll put a reverse LED light in it. So thanks again for watching. God bless. Never forget, Jesus is Lord.